Right, put some fuel in it. So currently wastegate's off, main exhaust is off, but I've got all the oil lines on, plenum's off, everything that can generate boost is off. I've turned the engine over, the oil pressure light went off. Yep, see, it's freezing cold. Well, I was going to touch it. What I'm going to bear in mind it's 10 o'clock at night. I'm going to do a bit of choke, turn the fuel on, make sure that don't get any leaks. We've definitely got power on the battery. So, ignition, choke. Right.
Well, that ends the video, so I thought I'd stick some pictures up for you. Yeah, here's the gears. There's third, destroyed, and I think third trailing is also destroyed. So gearbox is in, gave all the turbo system a bit of a clean, built it all back up, and then used one of them chopper stands to refit it. Makes it really easy, just sit it on it, and basically just push it straight in, bolt it all up, and here we go. We're all done. Thanks for watching.